Ever pressed your Chevy Malibu key fob and nothing happens? Yeah, we've all been there. First things first, check if your key fob battery is dead. Most Malibus use a simple coin battery. Pop open the fob with a small flathead screwdriver, carefully, and swap in a fresh CR 2032 battery. Still not working? Next step, try the manual key hidden inside your fob. There's a little release button. Slide it, pull out the key, and use it to unlock the driver's door. Easy fix for getting inside. Now if you've changed the battery and the fob still won't work, it could be a syncing issue. Sometimes the fob loses connection with the car. Get inside, put the key fob in the key slot if your Malibu has one, and try starting the engine. Some models reset themselves this way. If none of that works, try your backup key fob if you have one. If the backup works, your main fob might need reprogramming or replacement. Still nothing? It could be a bigger issue, like a blown fuse or a problem with your car's receiver. At this point, it's best to call your dealer or a trusted mechanic. And there you have it. Quick steps to troubleshoot a Chevy Malibu key fob that's not working. Save this video for next time and don't get locked out.